How to check and redeem Gap or Old Navy reward points. Hey guys, in this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily check and redeem your Gap or Old Navy rewards credit card points. For that, you first need to open up your web browser on your phone and search for Old Navy credit card login. You'll find the sign in button from the secureoldnavy.gap.com. Once you are here, you can log into any Gap Inc. family brand or website, or even the app. And then once you are here, just go ahead and simply enter your details to log in. After that, you can go to your account section and go to rewards to view your total points. And if you are a card holder, you could also log into your Barclays online account at oldnavy.com.barclaysus.com. So for that, you could just tap on the first link right here to go to barclays.com and then log into your account to view your points. And if you are in store, you can provide your registered phone number at checkout, and the cashier will see your balance and any reward certificates available. Now, in order to redeem your points, you can get 100 points worth of $1, and you could redeem it in increments with no minimum threshold across all of the brand. You could also redeem points online and in app, so you can get to your checkout page after setting up all of your items and apply rewards via My Points and Rewards. And in store, you can provide your phone number and indicate how much you wish to redeem. These are some of the ways that you can check and redeem your points on Old Navy's credit card. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.